Hi all, I'm Raghav and this is my data structure Fundamentals-1, Self-1, Assignment-2. So today I'm going to discuss about the following three questions. What do you mean by an array? Advantages and disadvantages of an array. And third is difference between an array and a vector. So first coming to the first question, what is an array? So array is a fundamental data structure in programming that represents collection of elements of same data type stored in the contiguous memory locations. So each element in array is identified by its index or position within the array, starting from the 0th index to n-1 index. So uh, if suppose like there are 10 elements stored in the array, so the 0th index would be the first element of the array, and 9th index, that is n-1, would be the last element of the array. So array provides efficient way to store and access a fixed size sequence of the elements. So second is advantages and disadvantages of an array. So what are the advantages of an array? So advantages of an array include efficient access. So by efficient access, I mean that elements in array can be accessed using their indexes that allows constant time access. That is, they go off 1. This makes array access very efficient. Second is contiguous memory. So array elements are stored in adjacent memory locations, ensuring that the elements stored in predictable and efficient manner for memory management and access. Third would be easy iteration. So array are easily iterated through using loops. So you can use index variable to traverse to the elements sequentially. So coming to disadvantages of an array include number one is fixed size. So arrays have a fixed size that is determined during the creation of an array. So once the size is set, it cannot be changed. Second is memory wastage. So if an array is allocated with a larger size than needed, the memory space may be wasted if array is not fully utilized. Third would be no dynamic resizing. So unlike some other data structures like vectors, the arrays cannot be resized dynamically during the program execution. This can be problematic when number of elements that we want to store in array are uncertain. Like if I want to store 11 elements in an array, but my array is of 10 size, I cannot store the 11th element in the array. So coming to the next question, what difference between an array and a vector? So let's see what is an array first. So array are fixed size data structure which store elements in contiguous memory blocks. Size of an array is determined during compile time and not during the runtime. So array do not offer dynamic resizing. So we can access an elements of an array at constant time, uh, which is a big of 1. So array are less flexible and requires uh, manual memory management. So number second would be different vectors. So vectors are dynamic arrays that can resize automatically. So they are implemented using arrays internally, but provide dynamic resizing. So vectors can grow or shrink during the runtime to fit the elements. Vectors have built-in methods for dynamic resizing and provide more flexibility. Similarly, like arrays, we can also access the elements of vector using their indexes in a constant time, that is over 1. But vectors handle memory management automatically, uh, not like array. We have to in case of array we have to manage our memory manually, but vectors manage them automatically, reducing the risk of memory related bugs. That's all for this video. Thank you so much.